fresh to death and sick as cancer. I was sort of punk rock, you grew up on hip hop. I fit you better than your favorite sweater. You know that love is me, love hurts. You still remember that day we met in December, oh baby. Big dreams, gangsta. Said I had to leave to start my life over. You were like, no, please, stay here. We don't need no money, we can make it over. But I headed out on Sunday, said I'd come home Monday. You stayed up waiting, anticipating